Time to clean the Breville. When you see this flashing light, that means it needs a back flush. Make sure you have a full water tank. You're going to put a cleaning tab in your single filter basket, and with the rubber application, you're going to insert that into the machine. Make sure you have an empty water tray. Press the double cup, single cup, and power button at the same time. So when the process is finished, after 5 minutes, it'll beep twice, and you will take out the portafilter, check to see if the tablet has fully dissolved. You should have clear liquid in there, clear water. If it's not, you put it back in and you start the cycle again. Press single cup, double cup, and power button for 10 seconds. 2 beeps. Water is clear. That's what you want. Now that the back flush is done, I like to run a cycle through the group head, the hot water, and also the steam wand. Before reinstalling the drip tray, check underneath and make sure there's no water in there. When it back flushes, the water goes into the drip tray section. Now you can put all of your drip tray and accessories back into that storage section. Wipe it all down and you're good to go. Now it's time to make our coffee.